Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can add Amazon affiliate products to your Shopify store, or how you can dropship Amazon products inside your Shopify store. And I'm going to be showing you guys two methods on how you can make money on Shopify from Amazon. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log in into your Shopify store, and you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then click on apps and sales channels, and then you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. And after, guys, you click on Shopify App Store in the top right, you want to search here for Amazon Importer. Okay, as you can see, now there are multiple apps that will help you guys import products from Amazon to Shopify so that you can start earning affiliate commissions. Okay, now the commission is going to be like from 3% to 10%, or you can either start dropshipping like physical products, like start dropshipping from Amazon to Shopify. I'm going to be showing you how you can do this right now. Now, as you can see, guys, there are a lot of apps that will help you do this, like this app, Amazon Importer Spada. I already tried it. The only advantage of this app is it's free. Okay, so don't really force you guys to pay. But this one, it's called Reptune Amazon Importer. I like to use this app because it really like helps you dropship Amazon products or earn Amazon affiliate commission, like they say here. As you can see, it's actually built for Shopify. Click on it. Okay. All right. Now after that, you want to click on install. After, guys, you click on install, you want to click again on install. Okay. All right. Now before you do all of this, okay, before you install the app, okay, actually you have to install the app. Okay, after you install the app, after you are on this page, as you can see, we need your review. After you see this, after you see this page where you can add like Amazon product link or something like that, you want to first you want to sign up for Amazon affiliate program. Okay, so you want to go to browser, just open your browser and search for Amazon Associates. Okay, and you want to click on this one that says Amazon.com Associates. You just need to create an account on Amazon Associates. Okay, you need to create an account. You will ask you, of course, for a website, but you don't have to put there a website. You can just put your Instagram page, your Facebook page, your Pinterest URL link, or you can put there a YouTube channel like me. I added just my YouTube channel, so it will take you guys to this page, but yeah, you just need to sign up. Okay, they will ask you guys for like account information. You just need to sign up. After you sign up, this is how it's going to look like. You will see here your clicks, the money you have made. Okay, how many people clicked on your products. Now I'm going to show you guys now what you need to do. Okay, so you want to go back here, and here we can after you can, as you can see, now if you just want to to drop ship Amazon products on your Shopify, you just need to go to Amazon, okay, and find just go to your normal Amazon account where you can just buy things for yourself. Search for a product that you want to dropship on Shopify. I'm sorry. Now, for example, I would like to dropship this watch. Okay, I would like to sell it inside my Shopify store. As you can see, just copy the URL in the top, guys. Okay, copy it, and then go back to the app. Okay, and paste the link here, and then click on import. Now, after, guys, you click on import, this exact product is going to be imported into your Shopify store, and then click on add product. And if you go now to your products, to your Shopify products, you will find the product there. Okay, this is the product, as you can see. Now, if someone buys this product, you will have to ship the product to the customer. As you can see, it says here, buy it now. Now, if you are trying to add Amazon affiliate products, this buy now will be changed to view on Amazon, and if someone clicks on view on Amazon, it will take them directly to the product to complete the purchase inside Amazon, not on Shopify, and then you are going to earn from 3% to 10% commission. Okay, now after you earn commissions, you will find them inside your Amazon Associate account. Just search for Amazon Associate like I showed you at the beginning, and then you will see all your earnings and the clicks and impressions. Now, what you guys need to do is, like I said, first, if you want to add your if you want to add, for example, you want to add Amazon affiliate products so that you can earn commissions, you want to click here in the top first. You want to click on settings, and after, guys, after you click on settings, then you want to enter here your Amazon affiliate ID here. Now you want to go to Amazon. Of course, that's after you sign up for Amazon affiliate program. You will find this ID here in the top. Okay, in the top right. Like after you try to sign up for Amazon Amazon affiliate program, they will ask you guys to put a random store ID there, and that's going to be your store ID. Now copy it, okay, and then go back and then paste it here. Of course, you will have to upgrade. Okay, you will have to upgrade. It's going to cost you $4 per month, but this is not. It's not going to charge $4 right now. They will give you like a free free plan. It's not actually a free plan. It's like a 7 days trial, free trial. Click on upgrade now, and then click on approve. I already paid for this app. Okay, so I'm just going to pay for it again. All right, now after you pay for it, click on settings. Of course, you are not going to pay for it immediately. They will give you 7 days free trial. Now after you add here your Amazon affiliate ID, like I showed you guys, you just need to copy this ID here, as you can see, and then paste it here, and then click on save. So after, guys, you click on save, then what you guys need to do is, you can see this bottom text here. You want to change it to buy on Amazon, and then you want to click on activate, and then you want to click on save in the top right here. Actually, now Amazon affiliate button activated, as you can see. Now instead of someone sees buy on Amazon, you will see now instead of someone seeing here buy it now, they will see this new button that says buy on Amazon. All right, now as you can see, this feature is only for dropshipping model. See if you can multiplier price, as you can see, multiplier price. Now if you check this, you can just increase the percentage from like the cost. For example, you can you can add markup the price. For example, you want to make 30% each time you sell Amazon products inside your Shopify store. You can just add here 20%, but this is only applies, this only feature is only for dropshipping model only. So if you are trying to dropship Amazon products inside your Shopify, you can just use this feature. But if you are trying to add Amazon affiliate products, don't check this. Okay, just leave it or fix the price. Okay, so as you can see, guys, after you add all this information, then you want to click on settings. I'm going to reload this page. Okay, so here I'm going to click on Amazon importer here, as you can see. All right, now after you add all the ID and stuff like that, like your Amazon associate ID, then you can then start importing products. So that's exactly, guys, how you can as you can see, you want to enter here your store ID or Amazon affiliate ID. Okay, and if you are new to Amazon, you can just click on here. It says join Amazon program. If you haven't signed up for Amazon affiliate program yet, you can do that. Okay, now I'm going to go back. Now after you add that, then you want to then add here any product you can find on Amazon. So for example, we're going to add here this product, this watch. Copy the URL in the top right, and then go back, and then you want to paste the product, Amazon product link. Click on import. Now after you add your Amazon associate ID, now this link will be trackable. Okay, and you click on add product. All right, it says here import is in progress. Please wait, just give it a few seconds, and this exact product will be imported to your Shopify store. Now if someone now goes to Shopify and clicks on buy on Amazon, it will take them directly to Amazon here, and so that they can complete the checkout. Now after they click on buy now and they purchase the item, then you are going to earn 3 to 10% commission. Keep in mind that even if they don't buy these products, like they change their mind, they close their account, they don't want to buy the product anymore, and after 7 hours they change their mind and they want to buy a product that is completely different from the product you are trying to promote, you are still going to earn a commission. Okay, because you took them, they clicked on that link. It's going to be trackable for like 24 hours. That's the beauty of Amazon affiliate program. You are going to earn a commission even if they buy like multiple products, even if they buy your product, the product you are trying to promote, and they change their mind and they put something else, you are going to earn affiliate commission for each product. Okay, anything they buy within 24 hours, you are going to earn a commission. from that. Now that's exactly, guys, how you can dropship or add Amazon affiliate products to your Shopify store. If this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like, and make sure you tell me if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just go to the comments below and tell me exactly your questions, and I will reply to you guys within a few minutes. Okay, see you guys in the next video.